sun is really intrusive. It really is. It is shining so hard. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button so you won't miss an upload from me. Today we are going to do a clean with me in my office. We're also going to head outside to the backyard. I'm going to do some light cleaning on the patio. I'm so glad that you guys joined me. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. And if you're ready to get started on this clean with me, let's hop right into it. Because somebody asked me in one of my videos what I was doing to lose weight, but I want to share this with you guys real quick. It's called a metabolic fat burning elixir. I just use warm water, 3 ounces. I use a teaspoon of ginger. I use a tablespoon of honey, a tablespoon of lemon juice, a pinch of cayenne. So I do this every morning just to really rev up my metabolism. So you guys, I clean the outside of the patio just like I would in my own home. So just a little tip for you guys. I still vacuum. I still do all that stuff out here. I always take a dry microfiber towel and I will dust everything off out here just because it's in the outside elements. Hopefully you guys can hear me from that waterfall, but I always dust everything off and I vacuum out here also. These are some citronella candles. I love these. Let me show you guys how it looks. It comes in a pretty jar like this. I got these from Walmart. And of course, you guys know it just builds up so much dust out here just because we're outside. You guys see all that dust right there. And we kind of use these to hide the speaker back there. My daughter plays in this sand all the time. what we typically do is I will leave all these chairs out here for just extra company, and we always have chairs. And I got this from Big Lots, and it actually looks like the same material as our actual couches. Wow.
And eat those. Don't eat all though. Just you gotta eat one.
Mmm. So good. Come around here and get it.
Do you love it? Do you like my chocolate?
I love it. I love it.
Thank you.
Alright, thank you. I was so hungry.
I know, I like making food.
You guys, if you have kids, and these little timers are, timers. This is a 60-minute timer. And if you have kids, for my daughter, she loves to make sure she can see. Like if I say, oh, you only have 1 hour left, I actually do this and I set the timer. She's more of a visual person, so I love this little timer for that. I just bought this probably a couple months ago. I'll link it out down in the description box for those of you who have kids. But this little thing I love. That way they can know exactly how much time they have. And I believe, I can't remember how much this was, but I'll put this down in the description box for you guys. Let me see if it goes off. Yeah. So guys, this is a quick tip on how to hide cords. What I did was, this is why I put this tray here. That way everything is under the tray. And like all this stuff is usually not in there. I put tape under here, and what I do is I run it under the bottom of the screen, just like this. Because of how the desk sits, I put everything here. So you see these cords? I put these bases here. And then this is kind of high cords. But yeah, honestly, this is more of a camouflage.
Think we lost all, but who will take the fall? Who will win it all? You know the cost, still you go through walls. Keep on acting small. Even if you got something left to lose, even if there is something left for you to prove, I got bad taste of hanging around you. Bad. I'm so sorry about the bitter end. I'm so sorry.
Here's another tip where I just cords and stuff like that. I will put them in a box like this. That way you can camouflage it.
Don't regret that much. Don't regret that. Sunny side up. Try to keep it cool. Bending all the rules. Bending all the rules. It gets colder, but I hate being cool. I can't be cruel to you. Even if you got something left to lose, even if there is something left for you to prove, I got bad taste.
These are fake books. I love these.
Sorry about the bitter end. I'm so sorry if I misbehave. In the middle we got tangled up, but in the aftermath of us, I don't regret that much. I don't regret that. Ooh, ooh, ooh. In the aftermath of us, ooh, ooh, ooh. Baby, I got no excuses. I got nothing left to say. Didn't wanna stand up useless, but in the aftermath of us, I'm so sorry about the bitter end. Bitter end. I'm so sorry if I misbehave. If I misbehave. In the middle we got tangled up, but in the aftermath of us, I don't regret that much. Don't regret that. Ooh, ooh, ooh. In the aftermath of us, ooh,
How you been doing? You sleeping alright? I worry it's easy to wake you up at night.
Just a little trick, you guys. I got this, I use this as my trash can. I wanted to take these off, but I didn't want to ruin the rope part here. But this is actually from the laundry section. You know where they have the baskets at Home Goods? That's where this came from. But I actually use it as a trash can because I really like it. I really like it. But I don't mind the actual handles on it. And I usually just keep it here to camouflage all this, the cords that are behind here. I'll show you guys here in a second.
Every passing moment, thoughts of you run through my head.
have I already mentioned that I love my new vacuum? I love it. Okay guys, first of all, look at the floor. I love the floor. That's why I keep saying I love that vacuum, because even when I'm vacuuming, it sucks the carpet up, like it pulls it. So I love that for that reason. But I'm just gonna kind of give you guys an overview of like all these wires and why I have stuff like I have it. So I have this tray here because I hide all the wires and anything that I have extra, I hide it in there, because when you're looking at the office from the door, you can't see any wires. So I put that trash can there because all this on the side, there's wires. You see how when you look at it, you can see these wires. Oh, actually, you know, because that's to the monitor. But just when you're kind of looking at it, it's not so, the cords are not so intrusive when you're looking at it from the door. But on the side here, you can see them. Alright guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me. We are all done. Thanks for clicking on this video. If you are not a subscriber, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Until the next video, bye guys.